Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
HEPTA, also known as SEPTA.
What does the dictionary say?
A combining form meaning 7.
Math rap.
Another math term that is simply heaven. A simple prefix meaning 7, like a heptagon. As it's configured, the hepta makes it a 7-sided figure.
Math rap.
Fun fact, the French word for 7 is sept. In Italian, sette. In Portuguese, sete. In Spanish, siete. In English, septa is the prefix for 7 of something. What happens if you are put under a trance 7 times? You become heptatized. Draw 7 different heptagons. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!